afternoon to everyone present over here for the webinar. I here, Sumitra Manaria, herewith heartily welcome to all the students and Mr. Karan Patel as an uh, guest speaker for our today's session. Mr. Karan Patel is working in Red Big Site Solution Private Limited uh, as a software developer. He is having an expertise in HTML, CSS, JS, Ajax, Python, and many more areas. Today, he is going to introduce us about CI CD with Jenkins, and that this is a hands-on session. We have already floated the requirements for today's session. If you have done that, that's good. Otherwise, sir will be introducing you about the requirements and will provide you the links also or information also through which you can continue to learn this type of techniques. Okay. So now I will hand over the session to the sir. Very good afternoon, sir, and I
Good
request you to
afternoon.
begin the session.
Okay, I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So I'm not going to introduce myself again. Okay. So you just see about me. You just go with my LinkedIn profile. Okay. So basically, I'm covered today a heads-on on CI/CD with Jenkins. Okay. Uh, say for example, I'm starting this seminar. Before I'm starting this seminar, I telling one thing. If you find this course in market, okay, so you can learn this many things by paying 20 to 30K. Okay, so we are delivering free of cost. Thank you so much to Parallel University to give me a chance, and thank you the IT department specially. So rather than we can wasting the time, because I have minimum time 1 hour. Okay, so I let me start. Okay, so in this seminar, if my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
uh, Okay, so in this seminar, I divided two parts. First part is theoretical part. I'm not going in theoretical part much more. I just giving the definition. That is my task, and my main task it is to clear cut about idea of CI/CD with live demo. I am creating each and every step behind you. Say for example, I am not set up anything. I am starting from scratch to last CI/CD. Okay, so basically in theory part we cover why DevOps, introduction of cloud, Git, and in live virtual lab session we can cover creation of EC2, install Jenkins, project setup using Bitbucket, Jenkins pipeline, CI/CD, and live demo, and the last. Okay, so this all technology, if you learn this all technology here different technologies also there. So for example, Docker, Kubernetes, and all that. If you are learn this all technology, you are become a DevOps engineer. Now every company needs software plus DevOps engineer. So what demand? So for example, you demand for 15 lakh per annum. They provide you. Trust me, if you learn the DevOps with any technology, say for Python, Java, whatever, okay, you are good in market. Okay, so basically I'm not wasting the time. I'm start theoretical first. Okay, so what is DevOps? I think everyone know about basic of DevOps. Okay, so let me uh, first introduce why DevOps. Okay, before doing anything in market, why? First question is why? Why should buy this? Why should hire you? Like say for example, first question is why. So why we learn DevOps? Okay. So this is you can see in my screen. There are two teams. First team is development team and second team is operational team. Okay. So what is the role of development team and what is the role of operational team? I am not focusing of DevOps. I am introducing a DevOps after this slide. Okay, I am this now I am explaining the problems which are the current problem that solved by the DevOps. Okay, so I just assuming there are two teams. One team is development team, second team is operational team. Okay, developer build the code, write the code in any language. Say for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as per the requirement. They write the code and they hand over to build team. There is a each and every team is there. Developer team is there, build team is there, testing team is there, QA team is there. each and every team is there, not individual working in one field. So developer build the code. After building, say for example I want to create one email configuration code, okay, email sending code. So I develop this code and I hand over to build team for building up, to build up. Say for there are two build is there, Maven build and unbuild. Right now we can use that Maven build in market in IT scenarios. Okay. After then, if the successfully build happen, okay, then it will transfer to this build to testing team to test it. Okay. Then testing guy what they done, they perform different test scenarios. Okay. Say for example there are selenium testing is there, I think you know, I don't sure you know about selenium testing or manual testing. Okay, so they perform manual testing and selenium testing on our project or product. If they find any bug, they directly report it to developer again build, again come into test part, test team. Okay, now if test team is okay, our product is okay, then test team hand over product to QA team. Okay. Now, what is the role of QA team? QA means quality assurance, right? QA team is not check any functionality, anything. The role of QA team is not find the bug. The role of QA team is user experience. Suppose I deliver this product into the market. Okay. Then what is the user experience? Say for example, I want to write something. Then there is a prerequisite to write something for 5 steps. This is not right way, right? Easy way we can do task. This type of user experience done in QA phase. Okay, so assume that one product, one application we need to build. Developer build this application, write application, build, test it, and QA. Fine. So our application is ready. Now next next term is come operational team. Okay, now our product is ready. Now time is to deploy into the server. Okay, so we are all know about the server. Without server we can't access the website or application. Okay, so we can make it globally, and from globally every end user should be access. I cover this all thing trust me in this session. Okay, I am develop, write a code, build, test, develop, maintain, monitor, all the things I cover. Okay, and after the deploy in server, okay, the client of our particular application they start the use it. Okay, after then the next, not this much of part, after then again maintenance part is come, right? So this is under maintenance part. Suppose client has to, it is not working, it is working, so we can, it is called as a maintenance part. Okay, and after then monitoring part. So what is the monitoring part? Basically in monitoring part we can monitoring the application of traffic user. Okay, say for example my application is working or not, it is down or it is up. Say for example I am using Facebook, so Facebook is down, Facebook is up, Facebook is working fine, no CPU load, no RAM load, like that. Okay, so this is all cycle starting from development, build the product, to deployment product. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, you understand now. See, this is all manualist. What is the problem? Okay, here what is the problem? So this is all cycle called, what is called, we can call is the software development life cycle. I think you learn in software engineering subject. Okay, so basically software development life cycle. This is all process is called software development life cycle. Okay, so what is the problem? This is look like good, right? So what is the problem? Okay, so first problem is, it is the all process is manual process. Okay, developer write the code, after then this code is hand over to build team, after then build team build the code and it's hand over to testing. This is all manual process. Okay, and to monitoring it all manual process, so it is manual process. Okay, so it is a time consuming also. This is the one fact. Okay, I'm not explaining more because I'm more much covering in practical sessions. Okay, I attach the link, I attach the more knowledge link. If you want to more knowledge, I attach the link in slide, upcoming slide. Okay, so first thing is, what is the problem? First problem is manual process. Okay, so all tasks we can perform manually. Okay, next problem is app running issue. What is the app running issue? Operational team client tell us to operational team, this site is not working in client site. This application is not working on client side. Okay, but operational team same issue as to development team. Okay, development team operational as to development team. Sarjeet, slide is application is not working. Then developer told operational team it is working in my case. In development team and operational they are guys fighting. Because why it is fighting? Not actually fighting but blame fighting. Say for example, operational team as operational client as to operational team it is not working and developer as to working. So it is not a development team fault, it is not a operational fault, it is a you know a problem of any software or any configuration. Okay, so this is also app running issue. There are lots of scenarios, is there lots of parameter, but I'm not covering each and every parameter. Okay, after then what is dev, what is ops? Okay, same thing I'm introduced here. Say for example, in the operational in there are two server, right? I think you know about development. There is a testing server and deployment server, live server. Okay, in live server actual product is running. In testing server our testing server is running for test purpose. Okay, so operational is using live server for testing, monitoring and maintenance. Then operational guy asks in live server this site is not working. Okay, but development team asks it is working in testing. So what is the issue? Yes, I am telling the issue. Sometime, say for example, I am installing one package in testing site. Okay, but I am forget to install this same package in live site. Okay, understand what I'm trying to say? Say for example, pip, I'm talking about Python here a little bit. uh, Pip install Google Cloud. Example, I'm installing this Google Cloud in testing environment, but I'm forget to install in prod environment, live environment, and I'm push the code and I'm transfer the code into the live environment. It shows the error. Then again operational team ask development if it is not working. Again developer go and check what is the issue. This is all called time consuming. This is called dev versus ops. Okay, now I'm going to move further. Okay, fast delivery of app. Yes, if we follow manual task, developer build, test, deploy, then we can't deploy the fast development of application. So our business is low. See, trust me. In you work in any company after some after your career or in your career, at that time that our owner, our boss need one thing only: productivity plus business. Okay, so they focus on faster delivery. Okay, by using this step we can't perform the faster delivery. Okay, and less money. Yes, less money. Say for example, here you can see in developer team member is there, in build team employee is there, in testing team employee is there, in QA team employee is there, in monitoring team employee is there, maintenance team. So charges of all employee team is more. Okay, so what is there are lots of, again lots of, I'm again telling you lots of disadvantages of manual task. Okay, and to now overcoming this one, now what is the solution? Okay, what is the solution? The solution is DevOps. Okay, what is the solution? DevOps. One line definition of DevOps is a combination of developer plus operational as a one grid, as a one cycle. This is called DevOps. Understand? Okay. So basically, you can see in figure there's a different tool is there. That keep in mind this tool, nothing else. We are know about Jenkins, Maven, Selenium, Spark, JUnit, nothing, no issue, fine. You just know about tool. This is the tool, different tool or software, right? Jira is a one software, Git is a one software, Maven is a build tool like that. Okay, just keep in mind that's it. Okay. Now, what is the actual definition of DevOps? I'm not reading the slide. Okay, guys. The DevOps is a combination of two words. One is software development. Okay. So basically, I'm not focusing on slide. Okay. I'm just telling you DevOps in one line definition also. By using DevOps, we can automate all tasks starting from development to end. Again, I repeat, automation of all manual tasks is called DevOps. Okay, and one more thing guys, one more thing, DevOps is not a software, not a tool, or not a app. Okay, if someone asks DevOps is a tool, no. If someone asks DevOps is a software, no. If someone asks DevOps is the tool app, no. DevOps is a combination of tool or software. Understand? DevOps is a combination of tool or software. What are the tools? I'm asked you in previous slide, right? This is tool. Say for example, Maven tool, right? Git tool. So this is by combining this all tool, we can create one cycle. This is cycle called DevOps to perform a automation. This is called DevOps. I'm not going deep example and all. Okay, no, I don't have time. Okay, so basically yes, I'm introduced here also cloud. Okay, so what is cloud? You know, what is the cloud? You know, cloud computing is the big cloud computing provide us to on-demand resources anytime, anywhere, and low cost. Okay, by using cloud, we can configuring, scalability, availability 24 by 7, cost saving, and all backup and data. This all thing we can perform by using the cloud. I'm not going deep in cloud. Simply keep in mind, cloud it's providing on-demand tool or resources to us. Okay, there are different cloud provider like AWS, Azure, Salesforce. Okay, there are lots of cloud provider is there. By using cloud provider, they provide one service. By using that service, we can consume our resources. Okay, so I'm not going in deep in cloud part. Okay, see guys, in last you can see all PPT last, you can see that link, right? Link. So you can visit this link for more information. It's good tutorial, okay, to learn. See in every slide I add that link. Okay, now what is the Git? See, basically Git is a versioning control system. So what is versioning? Version controlling system. Okay, version controlling system in the sense we can manage our code, right? Code. We are write code for one application. Okay, there are not uh, uh, yes, there are multiple developer working on one project, not only employee working on one project. Okay, there are lots of team working on one project, and the combination of all the code, combine all the code, and we can put at a central repository. This central repository, this is called distributed repository, and it provided by the Git. This is known as the Git. So what is the Git? Simply terms, Git is used for storing our code into the repo in this into the cloud. Okay, I'm not giving you brief more about definition and all. Okay, I'm just giving you one line definition. Okay, if you have some doubt here, I think you have doubt, but please go through the slide and link if you are clear it. But my main focus is on what? Practical session. Okay. Okay, so live now, this theory class is over. Okay, now I am just 1 second. Okay, now I am deep dive into the live virtual lab. Here you are interesting. See guys, I am not configure anything before. I am not install any software before. I am installing behind of you. Okay, so what is the CI CD? I am explaining here for 1 minute only. What is the CI CD? CI means continuous integration. CD means continuous deployment. Again, I am repeat continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay, so what is continuous integration and continuous deployment? Okay, so one line definition of CI/CD is once the developer write a code, it will test automatically, it will build automatically, it will deploy automatically. Okay, build this all automation you can call CI/CD cycle. CI/CD cycle. Okay, developer write the code, push the code, automatically build happen, automatically push into the server. You can see in server also. No one can you cannot pass your code to each and other person. It is directly automated one cycle. Let's see this all practical step by step. Okay, so here I am also mention all the steps. Those who are not created the account, right? This is hands-on experience. So for example, I'm delivering one side only. Okay, so if this is all step, I'm right each and every step that I follow right now. Okay, you can see this is all step. Okay, okay. Let what are we can now in live session what we are cover. Okay, just I am brief you. First, we create one EC2. Okay, EC2 means what? Virtual machine. Where we can create into the AWS. In AWS, we can create one virtual machine. Okay, and that virtual machine I'm creating in that virtual machine I'm using Jenkins is a one tool. Again I'm repeat what is Jenkins is a one tool. This used to continuous integration. What is the definition of Jenkins is a tool or software that is used for continuous integration. Okay, I am creating one VM. In VM, I am installing one Jenkins tool on one installing Jenkins tool. Second thing, I am installing web server. Why web server? Okay. So I think you all know about paytm.com, right? So Paytm, if I want to go to in Google, I'm write www.paytm.com. Okay. So how can I access this paytm.com? Where it is available paytm.com? So paytm.com available in one server on VM on one server. Paytm application is available. Same thing I'm doing. I'm creating one small website, one HTML page. This is we can call as a website. Okay, and this website we can put on web server and we can automate it, build and all the things. Okay, okay. Let's guys we started. After then we can create one project. We can create one pipeline by using Jenkins and all. Okay, okay. I'm start live practical here. You can see my screen. uh, I'm logging in my account, nothing else. You can see nothing else. I'm just logging my account because of saving time. Okay, I'm logging in my account. I'm clicking on instance EC2 instance. I'm clicking on launch instance. I'm using, see guys, we are using just demo purpose only. Okay, we are not like using for actual company. So we can go with that free tire. If you are using in actual production, actual test environment, then you can use more configuration VM, more configuration EC2. Okay, so basically I am deploy, create Amazon Linux free trial. Okay, so I'm click on select and next configuration. You can see this. I'm not explaining this all configuration. Okay, my aim is to create a virtual machine. According to your configuration, you do here configuration. Okay, add storage. Now free tier is 8. After then sorry, free tier is 30 GB you can free. After then 30 GB you are payable, you can pay for it. Okay, after then add, I'm no need to add anything in security group. Okay, now in security group I am creating a new security group and I am adding two role. Okay, just may add 18080 port number. So what is the port number? Okay, see what is the port number I'm explaining you. I am going in one hotel for picnic for weekend. Okay, I'm going in weekend in one hotel. In receptionist give me a one key. I book the room. The room number is 8080. What is the room number? 80. My room number is what? 8080. Okay. So receptionist give me the one key. Okay. 8080 room number key. After buying the key from receptionist, I am go my room and I am open my lock by using this key. Okay, by using this key. Here, suppose receptionist come and give me the key of 8081. It is not opening my room because my room number is what? 8080. Same thing in network terminology. There is a one called is firewall. What is called firewall? In firewall, there is a different port is there. Okay, so in my laptop, suppose I want to allow traffic. I want to allow traffic. Okay, I want to allow what? Traffic and user. Then I want to open the door in the sense port. What is the port number of 8080? I explain in further slide. You just remind what is 8080. That's it. Okay, this is the port that allow end user to access our application. Simple. I'm again repeating. This is the port. This allow end user. This allow what end user to access our application. Okay. This is publicly, matlab 0.0.0 means all the traffic in universe. In universe, it access. Okay. After then, I'm again adding one more thing. 80. Again one more key, again one more key. Okay, one key is 8080, again means 80. I am adding two port. I am explaining what is the use of this two port. Okay. Okay, now here I am writing public and also this one. Fine. Now I am review and launch. See, you can review your instance. I am just clicking on launch. I am creating new key pair. Parul University. Paru University download. See, button is disabled. Why I am not clicking on download keep? If I'm down click on download keep, it downloaded, and now see button is enabled. I'm click on launching. Yes, you can see my just giving the name to you. Okay. So it will maximum take 3 to 4 minutes. Maximum 3 to 4 minutes to build up. So meanwhile, this is build up. What is the next task? I am explaining. After creating that VM, I am I am connect into the VM, installing what? I am installing Jenkins. Okay. After installing Jenkins, I am installing what? Web server. Okay. After installing web server, I am create one application in my laptop, local laptop. Okay. After creating application in my local laptop, I push the code in Git repo, right? Git by using Git in repo. From their repo, we create one CI CD pipeline and it will directly deploy into the web server, and you can see. So this is the step we can perform in minimum 30 minutes only, guys. Okay. So I am going little bit fast because I am have time constraint, only fixed one hour. Okay. So see, yes, our virtual machine is running fine. I'm just connect, select and connect. Yes, there are lots of, there are, if there are three way. There are how many way? Three way to connect the Linux machine. What machine? Linux machine. First way is by using web browser. Second way is by using PuTTY. Third way is by using Mobo Extreme. What is Mobo Extreme? In IT industry, we are all in IT industry. We all DevOps engineer use the Mobo Extreme. What is Mobo Extreme? But it will take time to install and all the things. I'm not cover this all. PuTTY and Mobo Extreme. Okay, we can connect in further session in future, and we can explain you guys. Okay, so I'm simply connect with browser. How we can connect with browser? I'm go to connect and simply EC2 instance connect, and I'm clicking connect. See, it is open new tab, right? And my machine is connected. See, I'm do anything here. Okay, you can see ls pwd. Okay. Okay, now I am starting step by step. I am creating one VM, blank VM, nothing is there. Nothing is there. I am starting from scratch. Okay, and one more thing, guys, I am write a copy. I am write a command in PPT. Why? Because we are time constraint. Each and command I am write, it will take time, right? Suppose I am write since I am write sudo yum update, and it will take time. So I am just copied command and the PPT. I am just copy from there and explain you and install it. Okay, so I'm go to here. See, this step, all step are done, right? Configuration 8080 port number, launch PM file, connect to this is done. Fine. Now I'm in what? Now we are what? We are installing that Jenkins. So how we can installing the Jenkins? Okay. So I'm just writing sudo shu hyphen. What is sudo shu? Okay. In Windows, right? In Windows, we have administrator access. Which access? Admin access, right? You can simple call admin access. Same thing. You can see when I'm logging, then what is the name? EC2. This is a normal user, not a admin user, not a root user. So what I am do? I am transferring. I am going from normal user to root user by using which command? Sudo su command. Understand? Okay, Why I'm going to admin command, sir? So because admin have all the access. This simple, okay? There are, yes, there are different ways there. We can create one new user and we can assign that access and all. But I'm already telling, because of time constraint, I'm simply go with that easy way. Okay, so I'm switch to EC2 user to root user. Switching is done. Again, I'm come here. Okay. Okay, man, come here. Sorry, just 1 second. Uh, yes, just 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Huh? No issue. I'm saving time, guys. Nothing else. Okay. After then, I'm copying this command. I'm copying this command and I paste it. So what is this command? Okay. So I'm creating one virtual machine, right? In virtual machine, all the already there are pre software is available for OS. So I'm updating this software if it is old version by using this sudo yum update. And so what is why? Okay. So say for example, when we are installing software at that time they ask yes or no, right? You can see in your study time you are installing something and he asks you are continue yes or no. I'm continue yes every time that I'm writing hyphen y. I'm just updating. Let's check it is updated. No package for update because we just created the VM, right? Okay. What is the next step? Next step is to next is step Next step is what? We can install the Jenkins. For install Jenkins, we are install the repo. Okay, Jenkins code from Jenkins repo. So this is the link. Okay, by using you can take the Jenkins code into your machine. I'm just running. Just 1 second. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, stable. I'm just 1 second. So I'm just copied here. Jenkins server repo schema machine. Okay. So why it is showing error? Can anyone tell me? Because of just wait. I'm explaining you also error. Okay. You understand? Just 1 second, guys. I'm fixing some issue. Okay. After installing this, this is the repo I'm installing. Okay. After installing the repo, I am using one key. Okay, get provided by Red Hat by access to access this particular repo. Key is done, repo is done. Again, I am upgrade. What is the difference between update and upgrade? Can anyone? It's one-way communication, right? Just 1 second. What is the difference between update and upgrade? Upgrade means what? Those package you install, it will be come into the OS path. Automatically, it will set that OS path. Okay. After then, just 1 second. We can install Jenkins by using this command. I'm not explaining the command. Okay, it's simple command. Sudo yum install Java. Before installing the Jenkins, you need to install Java. Okay, so I'm combine two command and write in one command. Okay, so it is installing. Just wait, guys. And one more thing, I here you can. I will show you. Let me open my Google Chrome. Okay. See, simple. If you write, just example, I'm just giving you what we are doing. Okay. So, for example, how to install Jenkins. You can see different repo. Okay, different repo. You don't follow this my repo. It's fine. You can use any repo. Let me just see you. Let just 1 second. Okay. So this is, you can see. Yeah, service will start and JDK GRE, no need to repo. Okay. So what is the prerequisite? Here you can see the different repo, right? See, right? Different repo. So different repo is available because I am download the code. I am creating my own repo and I will hand over to different people. Same thing. Okay. So this is the repo. Again, I'm say for example for your convenience, I'm say for copy and paste. Just write sudo. It's not working here. Okay. Can anyone tell me why it is not working here? Because see, this is what which OS? This is Linux OS. Which OS? Sorry, this is which OS? Ubuntu OS. In Ubuntu OS, sudo is not working. It is yum working. Okay. I am using which OS? I am using which OS? Linux OS. Which OS? Linux OS, Red Hat OS. Okay. So according to OS, it will be different parts. According to the different parts. Okay. Now where we are, it is installing. I'm just showing you that different repo. Here I am using this repo, right? This is also available in different repo also. Okay. Now I am again one command to write reload. Again I'm installing the Jenkins, right? Now I'm started Jenkins. Okay. Uh, just 1 second. It is giving error. Why? It is giving a error. Why? See, just 1 second, guys. Should. Okay. This file is not properly installed. That's why it's give the error. So here they ask me something missing. Let just 1 second. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. Uh, I miss the repo because repo is every frequently. This I'm not facing any issue, guys. What I'm facing is I'm telling you the repo which I'm using, right? This is expired. This is expired because I'm not write this PPT yesterday. This is PPT I'm writing like a long time ago. Okay, just give me 1 second. I will give you the exact repo link. Duplicate. I missed something. Just 1 second, guys. Sorry for inconvenience because I'm missed out this repo. Just give me a 1 second. Just 1 second. Uh, Java version, before version. I'm not using this site. I'm just finding the repo, okay? Without repo, I'm not doing anything here. It will be expired. So just give me 1 second and find that repo only. Let me try this one. Yes, guys, it's working. Now it's working. Okay. See, what is the issue? This is repo, new repo. Okay. I'm updating in my PPT also, no issue. Okay. This is the new repo. You can see somewhere it updating the repo. This is only the issue. Okay. I'm following the same step. Sorry for that inconvenience. Again, I'm following the same step very fast. Okay. Okay. Key is done. Upgrade is also I'm taking. It will one second only. Just type complete all. Okay. No updated. Now here I can see we are already installed that one. Let me check. No package Jenkins available. Okay. Let me check. So again, there is a issue with repo. Let me just follow this install. No package Jenkins available. One second. Huh? I'm again launch one more instance. Okay, there is some issue in package installation. Just give me a 1 second only. Security group 8080. It will. I'm just fasting. I'm refreshing it. I'm creating new VM, guys. Just 1 second. I'm facing some issue on repo side. Just 1 second. I close this. And okay, so what is the issue here? I'm telling you. Okay, I'm using old repo code for Jenkins that provided by Red Hat. Okay, so I'm not able to access that particular repo. Not able to access that particular repo. So I'm introducing new VM. Just 1 second only. It will start it. Okay. I'm not wasting much more time because I have only 10 to 30 minutes only. Okay, so it is connected. I am using now this one. Let's see what's happening. Okay, this already I explained all the command. I just copy paste here. Okay, okay, this is done. Uh, we can installing the key. We can installing the key. Key is also installed. I am updating. This is only software we need to we need to very careful at the time of installation because if you are using old repo, you do again all the tasks. It frequently happen. Just 1 second, guys. Huh? Uh, I'm not able to do copy. Okay. See guys, this is the I'm using direct browser issue, right? That's why this is the issue in browser. I'm just upgrading. See, you can see now package is installing. Now we can in right way. Okay. Why it is happening? This is because happening in wrong package installation. This is also you can learn new thing, right? I'm not. Yes, this is you can also we can shoot the troubleshoot in the here. This is done. Now I am installing Jenkins. Let me just install Jenkins. Okay. It is installing. See. Jenkins is installing. After Jenkins installing, we can run this command. No issue, guys. I waste no. We are not waste our time. We are learn something new. Okay. We are not. We are already learned. We are one troubleshoot here. If we are installed wrong package, okay, then there are two way. If you are truncated VM, if it is VM is clear, no data is running. Otherwise, you can use what uninstall by using uninstall in Linux, and you can create new VM. You can again install it by using the latest repo, and latest repo code available in Redbit official site only. Okay, please refer Redbit Red Hat official site. Okay, okay. Reload is also now we can check the status. See, status is what? Now I am start the service. Start Jenkins. Okay, now I'm checking the status. Now we are successfully installed our Jenkins. Okay, what we are issue facing is installation of Jenkins part. Okay, so if you face this lack of issue, you can go into official website only. Okay, now our Jenkins is running. Now I'm going to one site. Okay. So Jenkins is running. How to check, sir? Jenkins is running. Okay, I'm go to my particular VM again instance. What is the IP of public IP? I just copy the public IP and paste it here, and I'm right 8080 port number. What is 8080 port number? Jenkins running on 8080 port number. Understand? Jenkins running on which port number? 8080. Suppose I need to access Jenkins, then I have the key of 8080. That's why I'm opening the key, inbound key. Okay, so you can see, yes, Jenkins is running. Okay, Jenkins is running. Now, where is the password? See, they asking me for administrator password. So where is the password? Password is available in particular location. Variable cat Jenkins secret initial password. So I just copied. Otherwise, you can also refer from my. Yeah, you can also refer from and go to VM. I just copy the path. Okay, and I'm right CD that path. Sudo shu cd that particular path ls. You can see which file we need. I'm just open that file. To open the file, we can write cat init file name. What here I am done. See guys, after installing the Jenkins, they provide one admin password. Okay, the admin password available in this particular location where lab Jenkins secret. So like in Windows, we are all installing in all software available in C drive. Like same all software available in library drive, library in Linux. Okay, so in go to library Jenkins and secret. You open that file by using cat command, and you can just copy this one. Okay, and I pasted in the first initially browser. Okay, see guys, it is login. Okay, so I'm choosing one. I'm choosing anyone according to requirement, but we can choose customize. Not we cannot choose customize. We can choose suggested. Okay, guys, we have only 10 minutes. more. So I am here installing what? Here I am installing fast web server. So how we can install the web server? You just go to my PPT. You just go to the PPT. Last slide. Okay, I am installing that web server. For web server, I am right. I am remove this one. I am installing the soft this one in my VM. So what is the web server? Web server is the deployment of our application. Okay, I am in sudo only. I'm fast in. It will take 1 minute only installing the web server. Okay, just 1 minute only. This is same command. I'm not explaining yum update why I'm already explained, right? This is yum install httpd. Why? Yes, I'm explaining this command. So yum install httpd. Why? What is the server name here? Here the server name is httpd. httpd is the web server. By using we can deploy our service application and that particular web, and we can access all that time. Okay, let's see. It is meanwhile installing we can. Yeah, so it is available in which location? It is available in this particular location where www and html. Okay, after then we can just check. We can start that service. Yes, service is started. Okay, if you want to check by using status, our web server is running, Jenkins is also running. Okay, now if I am running this command, why? Let me explain. I am running this. I am running this command chk config httpd on. Why? Suppose I am restarting. Okay, I am restarting this VM. After then my service running service is stop. Okay, so if I am running this command, if I am restarting the service, it will be not reflected. Okay, it will be automatically started after VM is restarted. Okay, so this is the basic command. And after then, yes, one more thing guys, uh, by using we are using this VM. Okay, by using we are using this VM using the Jenkins. Where is the Jenkins? Here see it is updating. Okay, we can use this Jenkins by using Jenkins. This VM by using we can integrate, we can connect, we can make a cycle. So for that we are perform some privileges. How to what is the privileges? Okay, so I am run one command sudo vsudo. Okay, it will be open one file. You can see this is a one file. I'm not explaining this file in guys, because only 7 minutes is there. Okay, so here you can see root. If I want to insert here anything, I just press insert. Okay, I just copy this root and I will paste here. I will yes, just command, I will paste here. I will paste enter. I am again give you one create for Jenkins user. This is I am explaining one line definition. What here I am doing? There are two user, root user and Jenkins user. I am giving the permission without password you can access. What is without password you can access? There is a two way. Without password you can access, or by using password you can access. Okay. I am done. I am adding. Right now I am right accept. Key colon WQ exit. And should I this throw some error? Jenkins all permission be on. Just 1 second, I'm exiting from file. For exit. Okay. Again, I'm go that file. Simply just quit the file. Again, I'm done with this file, and I'll go to that particular edition. Right, I'm editing user root. Okay. Here I'm editing only. Insert. A minute. Insert no past. That's it. Okay. No. Same thing. I'm user Jenkins. Jenkins all equals to all, and we can use no password all. Fine. Okay. Am right colon the exit colon w key. Okay, done. Now we can check here. Yes, this is asked for. I'm doing very fast, guys. We are lots admin. Karan Patel. I'm just creating root admin level credential. Admin. Okay, save it. This is the URL. Okay, and finish. Save and finish. Yes, we are ready to with Jenkins also, web server also, everything. Now we need to create one application, small application. Okay, so basically I'm go to big bucket first. I'm talking about Git, right? So this is the Git UI, guys. Okay, so basically I am already created one Git. We are not time. Okay, so sorry, I'm not creating here new Git. I am already created one Git. Okay, and this Git repo available in local here. Okay, I'm just open this. I just close this file. I just open with this one. Okay, here is see. I'm change the name. I'm right. Parul University and save it. Okay, now here I am opening what is Git base here. You know about Git, right? Git, how if I am change any file by using Git status, we can see I am modified this file by using Git status. If I want to see, there are two ways. Yes, I'm explaining, no issue. Here is the repo. Repo means virtual code. In cloud, there is a one repo is there. In that cloud, the code is there. In repo, which code is available? See, old code is available, right? This is test current Parul University. In my local, which is code available? Which just 1 second, I'm close it. Sorry. Uh, which code available? See, Parul University. So I am updating this app. This is my web application. I assume that this is my web application. Okay, now Parul University, I push the code, transfer the code into the big bucket. How will transfer the code? By using this command. First of all, we write git add, git commit, and anything message passed, and git push. Okay, guys, just 5 minutes. I will create the cycle. Trust me. Okay, 5 minutes only. Just okay. So I am push the code. Now I am go to big bucket refresh. Simply refresh. Now here you can see the change. Yes, you can see the change. Parul University, right? I am make changes. I am changes in my local system, and I will push the code into the particular folder or Git repository. Okay. So what is the use of Git? Git means what? I build the code, I write the code, and push into the some repository from here. From this repository, we can pull the code, and we can pull the code, and we can deploy into the web server. This is life cycle. Okay, so now I am creating. Yes, this is understand. Now I am go to creating actual CI CD. Okay, just 5 minutes, guys. New cycle. Here I am write pu paste. Here you can select recycle. Jenkins is create a CI/CD only simple. Okay, we can create by using using CI/CD by using Jenkins. Yes, there are lots of technology, guys. Docker is there, Kubernetes is there, load balance. I'm not using here anything. I'm simply create a CI/CD. Okay, I'm just creating CI/CD. Before I'm go ahead, we need to install some useful packages. Okay, so I'm go to manage Jenkins, manage plugin, available plugin. I'm simply write big bucket. Okay, big bucket. I'm installing big bucket and big bucket push status notifier and pull request. See, I am going to manage plugin and I'm install these three plugin. Big bucket, big bucket build status notifier and this one. I simply just write download now and install after restart. Okay, download now. It will take just 1 minute, guys. Okay, it will be installing. After installing, we can restart that particular Jenkins, means login and log out. That's it. No, we are not going into VM and restart the right sudo system STL Jenkins restart. No, no, nothing do like that. We just starting from here only. Okay, it will take just 1 minute only. Okay, here I am just clicking restart Jenkins. See, automatically restart. And automatically restart also in VM. Okay, in backend, if you want to show, I plan to show it this all, but because of time constraint I'm not showing you. It will be open just one minute. We are almost done, guys. Okay. This is the installation going on. See, he asking, I'm creating the root password, right, at the time of beginning. Yes, same, I'm right, admin. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is working. Okay, I am go to here again. I am going to configure. Okay, now here you can see one git, right? I am going to step by step we creating a cycle, CI/CD cycle. It is very easy, trust me. Here write a git. Here you can provide a git URL. Which is the git URL? You can go to your repo, clone, copy all, copy it, go back again, paste it. You just remove this one, git clone. Okay, now this is the private repository, guys. Okay, so if it is a public repository, we not to provide password here. We need to not provide the password here, but it is a private repository, my own private repository. So we provide the password. We write the Jenkins. Here we can write uh, what is my username. You can see the username from here, Karan Patel. Right, Karan Patel. I am typing my password. Which password? Big bucket password. Big bucket login password. Okay, not Jenkins password. Now I am changing. It will be automatically go, guys. Just one second. Okay. After then what happened? Okay. Build is done. This is also done. HTTPS Karan Patel big bucket at the red git. Okay. And after then we are go to here, right? With build when a change is pushed into the big bucket. If any change, say for example you push code from your local to big bucket, if at a time of you just push the code, it will automatically start build and deploy it. So for that we can use what? Build when a change is pushed into the big bucket. Who pushed the code? Developer pushed the code into the big bucket simply. No need to provide any URL. because we are already provided here. Okay, and after then, yes, this is, and after then, yes, here you can see build environment and write build script. Okay, execute shell. Here I am just copy one command, guys. Okay, I'm explaining the command. What is that command and why we are using that command? Okay, sudo su means we can perform sudo su operation. Now, see, this is one line variable lib Jenkins workspace index.html, right? So by using this path, we can provide here what is the project name, you paste. Okay, HTML, and it will be transferred to, yes, this one. Now I'm explaining this thing. This is our Jenkins path. Jenkins available in machine, right, guys? So this is path in that particular location. Jenkins is available. Okay, and that Jenkins location we are push index.html file, and this is the path where our web server is available. Okay, so what I am doing, I am copying this file from Jenkins path to server path. So it is called deployment from one side to other side. Okay, this that is, guys. I just save it. Okay, now I just click on build now. Let's see what's happening. It's true error or not. Yes, it's true error. Why? Because it's not connecting to origin branch. Yes, I'm again go to config. Here you can see same error is there. I'm typing right, but it is showing the same error. Okay, I'm again copied. This is take time, guys. Just 1 second only. Okay. Uh, Again, I'm right. And I'm adding one more. Again, it's not coming. Right. So this is basically I'm explaining this error. Okay, this error is not, my password is not connecting with that big bucket. Okay, so that's why its error is coming. Password is all right. Just 1 second. This is last step, guys. Okay, please, last step only. But then just live demo is there. I can use the master patch. Just trying error to connect my CI CD only. This is only way, guys. This only URL we can copy it. Okay. Once you can URL copy it, it will we can add the password and it will automatically goes. Just 1 second. If I'm using wrong password, Jenkins this one. This is the Chrome, right? And here invalid URL. I'm installing Git also, right? Just 1 second. Let me check. Manage Jenkins. Manage plugin available. Git. Git. GitLab. GitLab. Just 1 minute only, sir. Just 1 second. Okay, guys. It will asking to install one more plugin. Okay, so I'm just explaining the way which were left because of time. Okay, after installing this one, okay, after installing this one, okay, we are configuring. Last time I will try. Okay, after we are installing this, we can add this link here. Okay, and this error automatically goes. You can just save it. Okay, and here big bucket part, in big bucket part, in go to repository. In repository you can go webhook. You can see webhook and add this URL, webhook URL. This is your IP address, your virtual machine IP address, and this is the big bucket hook. Okay, you just add this big bucket hook at last. So what is this meaning? Just 1 minute. What is the meaning? We can connect this big bucket with the Jenkins. That's why we can add a hook. So after then what happen, guys? Once I am writing here anything, okay, it will be directly reflected to web browser. Our web browser is running in which? See, right now our web running. Our web browser running on 80 port number. Which port number? 80 port number. 80. See, our web page running on 80 port number. So after successfully, I'm not sure why it is coming. Okay, because of credential or plugin issue only. Okay, but I don't have time. So this is issue only plugin, guys. If I missed some plugin, that why issue is coming, nothing else. Okay, so once you write the code in local, you push the code, it automatically available in here. This is the server, right? www.paytm.com, like that. This is the all session. This is all CI/CD. We can directly continuous integration and continuous deployment. So this is all, guys. This all step available in PPT also. Okay, this all step available in PPT also. Sorry, here little bit we are facing some issue on plugin and all the part. Okay, but this is the step you follow. If you don't able to do, please ping me in LinkedIn. I definitely reply you. Definitely reply you. And I already shared my previously webinar in different college video. Okay, for your reference. So it is working very fine. Today I'm facing some issue on packaging. That's why I'm not perfectly live demo, but we are done, almost done. Okay. So this is from my side, and thank you so much. And thank you for 10 to 15 minutes I explained. For that one, I'm sorry because I'm facing some issue. Okay. Hand over to Sumitra, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. And we understand that sometimes this kind of issues happens because of some packages
Uh,
and everything. So there is not an
yeah,
issue
and one
regarding
more
that.
and one more thing, because I'm see, I'm not pre-practice and all. I'm directly going on. Okay, this is my knowledge and all. So what happened? Sometime new updated version is there, right? So that's why it is coming new as to new updates. Say for example, for WhatsApp, new update is coming. Okay, so if you want to use new feature, then we update the WhatsApp. Like that same thing here happening. But trust me, I shared the PPT with you guys. I'm share with Sumitra madam. Okay, Sumitra madam, please share with all that participation, and it's working. No,
Sure,
you are
sir.
not facing any issue. Yeah.
I'll be providing that to all the students. Even I will share your LinkedIn profile also, so that
Yes,
if
yes.
anyone
You
has an issue,
directly,
they can ask you the question on LinkedIn also.
yeah,
They will be.
directly you can, yes, you can directly guys connect me. And one more thing before I wind up, you are guys from IT, okay? So I am also from IT. If you are any like regarding any help to IT related to job, related to your resume preparation, anything, okay? Where we are, which technology, what is the future? Directly connect me in LinkedIn. I am at very good position at Red Big Spite, and also I have lots of technology knowledge and also have a good connection. Okay,
Thank you very much, sir, for
thank you.
sharing your knowledge as well as your connection, and
Yeah,
you are ready to help our students.
yeah, ready. I'm
So,
anytime, anytime. Yes, but there is a delay in message only because I'm busy with some other also.
sure,
So
sure, sir.
yeah,
Thank you
okay,
very much,
okay.
sir.
Thank you all.